In today's video, we will see how to fix the TP-Link Deco red light, what if means step by step and troubleshooting. So, firstly, what does the red light mean? So, the solid red light mean a solid red light generally means that the Deco has encountered a network issue and cannot connect to internet. This is most commonly caused by ISP outages, fault internet cables, DNS issue, or incorrect network connection. Then flashing and pulsing red light. A flashing or pulsing red light casually means a satellite deco has lost its connection to the main deco unit. This can happen if the unit is too far away or if there is a interference affecting the connection. Now the fixed one. Restart your modem and deco system. So unplug the modem and all deco units from the power. Then leave all devices powered off for at least 30 seconds. Then reconnect power to the modem and wait until all internet indicators become stable. Then turn on the primary deco unit and allow it to fully boot. And once the main deco is online, reconnect the remaining deco unit. Fix 2. Check for an ISP outage. Connect for a computer directly to the modem using a internet Ethernet cable. Then try loading several websites. If there is no internet access, contact your internet provider and wait for service restoration. Fix 3. Inspect Ethernet cable. Ensure every Ethernet cable is fully inserted. Inspect cable for cut, bend or wear. Try a different Ethernet cable if available and make sure the modem is connected directly to the main deco unit. Fix 4. Move satellite deco unit closer. If only one deco is flashing red, it may be out of range. Disconnect the unit showing the red light. Place it closer to the main deco and wait several minutes for the mesh connection or re-stabilize. If the light changes to normal, distance or interference was the issue. Fix 5. Update Deco firmware. Launch the TP-Link Deco app on your phone. Navigate to More or Update Deco. Download and install any pending firmware update. Allow the system to reboot after the update complete. Fix 6. Change DNS setting. So access your network connection, the network setting, then select internet connection to the IPv4 and set the DNS for primary to 8888 and secondary for 8844 and apply the changes and restart the deco. Now the fix 7. Factory reset the deco. If none of the above previous fixes work, reset the unit and set it up again. So first find the small reset button on your deco. Hold the button for at least 10 seconds until the LED changes color. Then the LED should begin pulsing blue and indicate it is ready for setup. And open the Deco app and complete the step process again. The fix 8. Contact TP-Link support. So visit the official TP-Link support page. Then call TP-Link technical support at 1800-209-4168. Monday to Saturday, 10 am to 6 pm. And if your device may be fault, ask about warranty to replacement option and keep your purchases receipt ready. Then follow the instructions provided by the TP-Link support team for advanced troubleshooting, repair or replacement. Goodbye.